Hey guys, Caleb with Northwest Roof Maintenance, here to talk about diverter flashings. Just want to go over what they are and why they are a simple yet very important part of your roof. Diverter flashings are essentially pieces of metal that are installed in various places of your roof. They look something like this and they get turned into something like this. Now the purpose is basically found in the name, diverter flashing. They're used to divert water away from areas of a roof that are highly susceptible to water intrusion. So there's a few areas on a roof where you might want to have a diverter flashing installed. One of the more important areas that we want to look at is where the roof connects to a sidewall and transitions into the gutter. We'll give an example of that in just a second, but other areas will include vents, chimneys, valleys, skylights, and satellite dishes. These are also areas where the potential for water intrusion is more likely to happen. As I was saying before, diverter flashings are crucial for sidewall to gutter transitions, and that is exactly what we are looking at right here. We have our roof connecting to the sidewall, and this area transitions into the gutter. So what water that butts up against the sidewall will flow down, hit the diverter flashing, and smoothly transitions into the gutter. Time and time again, we've seen people have to replace sections of their sidewall, or even worse, have to involve restoration specialists due to the water damage that's been caused inside of the home. So I hope this gives you a better understanding of diverter flashings, what they are, and why they are such an important part of your roof. If you have any questions about this or any other general roof-related question, I encourage you to give us a call or contact us through our company website at northwestroof.com so that we can provide you with answers that you're looking for. We'll see you guys soon.